Hello. All right, back to English. Sawadika. Hello. English. In English, we gotta say, I'm going to. I'm going to the 7-Eleven. Yeah. I'm going to the 7-Eleven. In Thai, you gotta say, Jabai. I'm going to. Jabai. I'm going to 7-Eleven. I'm going to 7-Eleven. I'm going to 7-Eleven. So if you go to 7-Eleven, tell me, what do you buy? What do you drink? What do you eat? Okay. Do you drink Red Bull? Do you smoke? What does this say? What's P? People? 7-Eleven. Now I want to tell you, Chop Rak 7-Eleven. I like 7-Eleven. So, Chop Yak. So today's lesson is about going to buy and like and love. Okay, so there's a difference. Like and love. You can say, I love her, she's my wife. But you can say, I like 7. But if you're in love with the girl in 7, you can say, I love 7. Because my girl is there. Okay. Does that make sense? Okay. So we review. Okay. I'm going to 7. I'm going to 7-Eleven. You practice at home. I'm going to 7-Eleven. I'm going to 7-Eleven. I'm going to 7-Eleven. I'm going. You can say it. Okay. Put any comments. Send me anything in English or Thai. So, จะไปฉันจะไป 7-Eleven. The other thing is rak and yak. Like and love. They're different. Rak. You can't love. You can't love this. You can like it, but no rak. So if you meet someone for the first time, girls or gay men, oh my gosh, he's so law. Don't say rak. Yeah, just say, Pom yakun. I like you. Okay. Anyways, have fun. I made a video for Thai speakers. Okay. Alright. Take care. Teacher Gabby. Bye.